Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at how to get X-ray vision in Minecraft on your Xbox. Oh man, we've all been there, right? You spend what feels like forever digging these massive tunnels, and what do you get? Chest after chest of cobblestone. But what if? What if you could just see where all those diamonds are hiding? So what is this Minecraft X-ray thing anyway? Well, think of it like giving your character a superpower. It's a way to make all the boring stuff like stone, dirt, and gravel just disappear, so you can see all the good stuff, ores, caves, even dungeons, clear as day. Okay, before we get into the fun stuff, we have to have a quick but really important chat. Only use these tricks in your own worlds, by yourself, or maybe on a private server where you and your friends all agree it's okay. If you try this on most public servers, it's considered cheating, and you'll get banned. For real. Alright, so here's our game plan. We're going to cover 3 different ways to get X-ray vision. First, the resource pack method, then a couple of clever in-game glitches. After that, we'll run through some quick troubleshooting tips, and finally, we'll talk a little more about fair play. Let's do this. First up, we've got the most popular method by far, and that's using an X-ray resource pack. The idea here is pretty simple. It just changes the game's textures to make most of the common blocks totally invisible. So, what do you need to get this going? It's pretty straightforward. You'll need your Xbox, obviously, with Minecraft installed. You'll also need a separate device like your phone or a computer to grab the file, and you want to set aside maybe 15 to 20 minutes to get it all set up. Okay, let's walk through it. Step 1. On your phone or computer, you're going to find and download an X-ray texture pack. A great place to look is MCPDL. Step 2. Back on your Xbox, you might need to free up some space by deleting the free Classic Texture Pack. Step 3. You'll use an app, something like Bedrock Connect, to wirelessly send that pack you downloaded over to your Xbox. And finally, just load up your world settings, head over to Resource Packs, and turn on your new X-ray pack. That's it.
Now maybe you don't want to mess around with downloading files and all that. No problem. Method number 2 is for you. It's the piston glitch, and it uses the game's own physics to let you peek through walls. No downloads needed.
For this little trick, you just need a handful of items you can probably craft right now. You'll need 1 piston, 1 lever, any kind of slab, 1 solid block, cobblestone works great, and 1 layer of snow. Ready to build this thing? It's easy. Dig a small hole, 2 by 2 and 2 blocks deep. Put a slab at the very bottom, then stand on it. Look at the wall in front of you and place the piston. Now pop the lever on that piston and place your cobblestone right in front of it. Here's the magic part. Flick the lever, and as the block pushes forward, you have to quickly place the snow layer on top of it. Your view will glitch right through the wall and you'll see everything. And our third and final method is the boat glitch. You guys, this one is probably the easiest of them all. It's super fast to set up, but it might take a try or two to get the hang of it. And when I say easy, I mean it. The shopping list for this is 1 boat. That's it. You just need a boat and a small tunnel. It doesn't get any simpler. So here's the plan. First, just dig a really narrow tunnel straight into a wall. Just 1 block wide is perfect. Plop your boat down right at the entrance. Then hop in and just slowly, gently push yourself forward into the wall. Your camera will phase into the block, and suddenly you can see everything on the other side. A little warning though, if you go too far, you'll start taking damage. So if you see your health dropping, just back it up a little. Okay, so you tried one of these methods, but maybe something's not quite working right. Don't worry, that happens sometimes. Let's go over a few of the most common problems and how to fix them real quick. If you're running into a snag, don't get frustrated. The fix is usually super simple. We'll get you sorted out right now. Okay, first big one. I can't see anything, it's just dark. Easy fix. Go to your video settings and turn smooth lighting completely off. A night vision potion also helps a ton. Next, the piston glitch isn't working. Just take it apart and rebuild it carefully, making sure every piece is in the right spot. If you're taking damage with the boat, you just pushed a little too far. Jump out and try again, but go slower this time. And finally, if your resource pack won't install, double check that you downloaded one specifically for Bedrock Edition. That's the one for Xbox. All right, let's circle back to what we talked about at the start, because this is the most important takeaway here. Playing fair. Having this kind of power in the game comes with a bit of responsibility. So the line between okay and not okay is actually pretty clear. Using it in your own world to find diamonds faster, or maybe just to learn how cave systems are generated, go for it. But using it on a public multiplayer server to get an advantage over other players, that's a huge no-no. It ruins the fun and the challenge for everyone else. The golden rule is simple. Respect the server's rules and respect the other players. And that really brings us to the final question, doesn't it? Is X-ray a powerful tool for exploring, or is it just a cheat? And the answer is, it depends entirely on the situation. In your own world, it's a tool. On a server with rules against it, it's a cheat. Context is everything. I'm curious, what do you think? Thanks for hanging out with me on the How to Tech Hacks channel. Don't forget to subscribe and stay curious. The future of technology is just getting started.